Tired of juggling multiple cards for different expenses? Ever wished for a financial tool that's as smart as your phone? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into Koho, a financial platform promising to simplify your money management. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of creating a Koho account, let's talk about why you might need one. In today's world, where digital payments are king, having a versatile financial tool is essential. Koho positions itself as that tool. It's more than just a prepaid card, it's a platform designed to help you save, spend, and earn rewards. But don't take my word for it, we'll explore that in detail. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you actually create a Koho account? It's a process that should be straightforward, but sometimes these things can be more complicated than they seem. So, grab your phone or laptop and let's walk through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to download the Koho app or visit their website. Once you're there, you'll typically be greeted with a simple sign up button. Click on it and you're on your way. The next step is usually providing some basic personal information. This might include your name, date of birth, and email address. It's standard stuff, but make sure you double-check everything for accuracy. After you've filled in the basics, you will probably be asked to create a password. This is crucial, so choose something strong but easy for you to remember. You might also be prompted to create a security question. This is just an extra layer of protection for your account. Once you've got the basics sorted, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure these days, and Koho is no different. You might be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Don't worry, this is to protect your account and prevent fraud. The next step is usually linking a funding source. This is where you'll connect your bank account to your Koho account. This allows you to load money onto your Koho card for spending. The linking process can vary depending on your bank, but it's generally pretty straightforward. Once your account is funded, you're ready to start using Koho. But wait, there's more. Koho offers a range of features beyond basic spending. You might be able to set up savings goals, earn cashback rewards, or even build credit. We'll dive deeper into these features in a future video. Now, let's talk about the potential downsides. While Koho offers a lot of benefits, it's not perfect. There might be fees associated with certain transactions, and customer service can sometimes be an issue. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons before committing to Koho. So, is Koho right for you? That depends on your financial goals and spending habits. If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances, earn rewards, and potentially save money, Koho could be a good option. However, if you're already happy with your current setup, there might not be a compelling reason to switch. To wrap it up, creating a Koho account is generally a straightforward process. However, like any financial product, it's essential to do your research and understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.